Hello, I'm Zara, AI.
Hi everyone,
generator.
today I will show you how to create a cute, consistent dinosaur character in Leonardo AI. This dino gonna be at the start of my video series. I will be able to place you in any situation. Also, I will give you some good tips about Leonardo. And if you are curious how to design, generate and lock in a look, watch till the end. So, I'm creating a dino character called Zara. She's small, hot-tempered and super cute, kind of like feather puppy. She will have a big shiny eyes, fluffy, multicolored feathers on her head, short little legs, a round body and mischievous but friendly smile. My main goal, make her so recognizable that people fell in love with her instantly. Let's head over to Leonardo AI and choose the model. I'm gonna start with Leonardo XL. It's supposed to work great for consistent character creation. So here's my first base prompt. I will start with a standing pose. By the way, this prompt was generated by GPT. If you want the exact same one, check the video description or drop a comment and I will share it with you. So I pasted the prompt, hit generate, and here's what we got. A pretty cute little dinosaur. Let's use it. Now we're gonna save the seed. The seed is the unique code that allows you to regenerate the exact same character later in different poses and settings. Now let's see if we can generate her in different action while keeping the same look, face and vibe. So I'm gonna change my prompt a little bit. This time she's sitting. So while that's generating, I will also prepare the third version where she's jumping. It's super important that we use the same seed at all three. Sorry for me being slowly. So the second result, not quite what I expected. You probably noticed that too. Let's wait for the third one. Okay, here's the jumping pose. Remember, we're still using the same seed. And it didn't succeed. Now I'm going to try adding the first generated character back into the prompt, kind of like giving the model a visual anchor. So I'm gonna try this version next. But actually, honestly, I'm not happy with these results. You can see it too. The model just doesn't keep the character consistent enough. And as you can see, it's not working. I'm gonna try other models. I spent around 40 minutes testing different models in Leonardo. Tried various settings, added sample images, uses and reuses seeds. Really? It's literally everything I could think of. And so far, I didn't succeed on it. In the end, only one model gave me the result what I wanted. The GPT model. Let me show you how it worked and what kind of output I got. So here's important note, the GPT model doesn't let you use seeds or upload character references. But the results are still much better. Yes, it takes a bit longer to generate, but let's go step by step. I'm using the medium quality setting for now. It's enough to check if current model will manage to do it. The high quality is more expensive, but also better. So I remove any previous characters, paste in my original prompt again and hit generate. By the way, the music on background is royalty free and generated with Leonardo AI. Check this tool, it might be helpful. It usually takes about 20-30 seconds. And boom, here's our first little dinosaur. And it is very cute one. I'm gonna try to change her pose. Notice? There is no option to copy seed here, and you don't get advanced settings like in other models. But the result? Solid. Next, I just changed the pose in the same prompt. Now she's sitting. Give me a few seconds. Hit generate. Now we're just searching for right one. When we get it, I recommend it to generate a high quality image. And check it out, way better consistently than before. You can clearly see it's the same dino standing in one and sitting in the other. Sure, there is a slight difference in feather color, but overall, they match very well. Now let's do the final one, the jumping pose. So here we go. Again, great consistency. They all looks the same. Honestly, I'm impressed. All three poses clearly show the same dinosaur, especially the first and third. Finally, we have a way to generate consistent character, which was nearly impossible when I tried this 2 years ago in Leonardo. So let me quickly show you what I tried with other models. I tried the cinematic, the real life vision, lucid, older ones like Phoenix, tested 5 or 6 different models. Some results were okay, but not repeatable. So here's the first stand in Zara. Now let's take a closer look and see more detailed. Now she's sitting. Yeah, it's kinda totally same dino, beside the feathers. Here she's jumping, or we can say running. So it depends how deep you will go on your prompt. We also can change the position of your head, eyes, up her hand, move the tail, and here the other cute results what I got. Some results went off, like this one. There I accidentally got a human girl and dragon. Why? Because the prompt had a character name in it. I couldn't understand that for a long time. I was thinking if I put a name in a prompt, the AI will remember it and see it as a character and repeat it. But no, it doesn't work. That's a tip. Leonardo often interprets names as real humans, which can break generation. By using this tool for a while, you can see what kind of mistake in your prompt. You kinda start to understand how Leonardo is thinking. I even got this nice background version, but again, couldn't reproduce the character in other poses. By the way, this one is the model Lucid. But now we have got our cute Zara. She can sit, jump, run, and still look the same. With a character like this, we can build an entire universe, from fairy tale to memes. In the next video, I will show you how to animate her and create a short scene. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you want to follow the journey. And see you soon.